Prior to the release of SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2023, anytime we created a new project using a PDF as opposed to a SOLIDWORKS drawing, we would have to come in and manually extract single characteristics or multiple, specify dimensions, tolerances, and notes, and basically just highlight every single characteristic dimension that we wanted. This was time consuming. We would have to do this over and over and over again, and if this was a multi-page drawing, it would consume quite a bit of time. However, now that SOLIDWORKS Inspection 2023 is released, and we create a new project using the same PDF, rather than going through and manually extracting all of my characteristics, I can auto-extract. Now this will give me some similar options to the inspection add-in, allowing me to include dimensions, tolerancing, surface finishes, and datum information, and it will run through the entire PDF and start to automatically extract my characteristics and apply balloons to them. Once this is done, I can see all of my characteristics at the bottom that were automatically extracted and do any cleanup that I need to.